Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of a 2018 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera from the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed. The new Superleggera is the first car to wear DBS since the last model was taken out of production in 2012. It has been developed as a high-performance GT, with its main rival being the Ferrari 812 Superfast. Despite its name, Superleggera, meaning super light, it comes in with a dry weight of 1693 kilograms. It sits on 21-inch front and rear forged alloys, and for such a sleek design with little noticeable aero, it produces up to 180 kilograms in total, 110 kilograms more than the DB11. Under the bonnet, we find gold coating for efficient lightweight heat reflection. The DBS is powered by an engine developed by Aston Martin themselves, the 5.2-litre turbocharged V12 that is also found in the DB11, and not the AMG-derived unit found in the Vantage. This powertrain produces 715 brake horsepower and 664 pounds-feet of torque, and is tied to an 8-speed Z-off automatic gearbox. This output produces a 0 to 62 mph or 100 km/h time of 3.4 seconds and a top speed of 211 mph. Moving inside, we find carbon composite, quilted leather and red contrast stitching. A more angular steering wheel is found in the driver's seat, and Mercedes infotainment system in the central column. The interior is generally far more angular and aggressive than the last DBS, and it certainly seems to be crafted well from high quality materials. But is it more refined than its predecessor, and does it fit with the Aston Martin ethos? Let's see the new DBS hit the Festival of Speed hill climb. So what do you think about the new DBS Superleggera? Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.